tarot. Tarot. I did learn tarot. I do have some tarot, which I will discuss it more later. So no spoilers for now. No spoilers for now. It's a device which helps gain wisdom, insight, guidance to life's quest, metaphysical scripture, visual than written, from Platonic, Hermetic, Pythagorean. The decks have two types: is the major arcana, which is only 22, and the minor arcana is the 54. Spreads are used in divination. There are lots of spreads. One spread I really like to use is the two-card spread. I call it the uh, as above, so below. Two cards, first card, second card, and then how you get the cards. Not for me. I don't usually get the top. Sometimes I get in the middle. Depends on my intuition, how it goes. Next is the runes. It came from the Middle English, means secret writing. It's also a tool of divination, inscribed in small wood or clay. Types of runes they use is the Anglo-Saxon or the Danish. Runes are, if you see some words, is like the F word, and then they shake it, toss it, and then they use it to see some divination, how to see it. Okay, the methodology. The method on this study will use a theory, determinism theory, thus to see divination predict happen as fate determined can be seen through this type of divination. In addition, the researcher is determined, but divination is a clue where one who can decide can change possibility or not. Because they said you will pass once a prediction sees the future, then you will they will say they will certainly pass on that event. But we'll see how on the analysis is it possible or not. So researcher will share some allegories on the study. The allegories is story that I just thought about a story, uh, prediction story. Then you see about the figures taken from the book, which taken from the book. Now the book I use, one is taken. One of the samples taken is from Chingay Labrador, Practical Magic. You can buy this at National Bookstore, which is good. This is more on astrology, which is I will put there's an analysis and sample there. Now we define determinism, a theory in philosophy that all events are inevitable. So that means we need to pass that event. Our lives is predetermined. Well, this is as what determinism says. The analysis. Okay, we will start the analysis. First is the situation. Let's go for analysis. Let's say it's a person who sees you went to, and then they said you will have a prosperous week. Now, but you didn't get any money on that term of week. So that means does it the on that divination failed or something goes wrong? On this analysis, we will see what is a prosperous week, but you didn't get any money. Let's say on let's go for situation A. And then there are so many types of answers, possibilities. Didn't get any money. But you work on that week, which on the next week or this in the upcoming future, you will have the money because of doing the work on this week. Thus, it is prosperous itself. Okay, let's go for you have no job. And then you said having a prosperous week. That's like that's like the question is what? You will answer what? Now, the prosperous meaning it could have been a prosperous life. You have a prosperous, you enjoy life. You are happy what you have. That is a prosperous week. For a week you don't have a job, but you enjoy your week. You go to the park, you have fun on that week. Thus, that is a prosperous week. Prosper, prosperous doesn't only mean money itself. It's also having a life. Life, we enjoy life. What? Love. Love from your family. Love from a pet. That is a prosperous life itself. Okay, so situation B. Let's go for situation. Uh, an, let's go for tarots. Two to a fire. Uh, somebody open a tarot to a fire. That means opportunity. But you didn't felt the opportunity within the week. One is there is an opportunity, but you didn't you didn't accept the opportunity itself. That means you deny the opportunity. Like uh, just walking around after a hard day's work, just walk around, then some a flyer passed by. You didn't even bother to read the flyer, but it's another job opportunity which you failed to see. So basically, this is a perspection. You see an opportunity that failed. How about we go for an opposite, like a you you try hard to get find the opportunity, like opportunity week. So opportunity to get a girlfriend. Try court and court, but sometimes the opportunity itself is not the girlfriend, but other opportunity. You try to seek on a dating site, a week fail, voila. You don't have a date for a week, but you didn't know that a cat passed by your house and then just lay down. Opportunity to take care of that cat, or there's one thing, don't have a job, but you said it's opportunity week. Opportunity to be with your parents. Even you don't have a job, it's opportunity to hang out with your loved ones, talk to them. It's an opportunity. Thus, opportunity. Later we'll have a definition of opportunity. Situation C. It is said to be a chaotic day. Felt okay, but something came up. Chaos doesn't mean guerra or war. Chaos is something in a linear prospect, but something spike up, or you have a line, like if you have this line, but suddenly a curve come up.